Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make banana pancakes today. So, I'm going to move the camera here. These are gluten-free, dairy-free. So, for every banana, you're going to put 2 eggs. And I would get organic bananas and have them ripe. And then you're going to mix. And then I'm using my Salad Master electric skillet. The reason I like my Salad Master is because it's stainless steel and it does not have a stick coating that can leach. I'm going to put butter down. If you are currently dairy free, you can use ghee or coconut oil. Just gonna pour that. And we're gonna let it cook just like a normal pancake. Ready to flip. And that looks just like a normal pancake, tastes like one, and it's great for you. So once the other side's done cooking, we'll have pancakes.